universe guided you to see this video. Your frequency and I actually match. That's why you are seeing this video. And today I'm going to show you how to speed up your manifestation so that you can be able to actually get what you want. Now remember, the concept I usually work in all my videos, if you haven't watched my videos, is that imagination creates reality and that anything is possible. But sometimes there are a lot of things that can get in the way of manifesting what you want. So today I'm going to show you how you can be able to speed it up and then be able to remove every block so that you can be able to manifest what you really want. But before that, this is Manifestation with Justice, and what I do is share different ways that you can be able to manifest what you want. I also share from my personal experiences, and I share what I learned from Neville Goddard's teaching, manifestation, law of attraction, assumption. So if you want something like this, I would call on you to subscribe to this channel. But first of all, hit the like button so that people would see it, and then of course you can share this with other people, and then also turn your bell notification so that you would see more updates from this channel. Now, when it comes to manifestation, there is just one problem that can stop anything from manifesting, and that is inner conviction, the lack of faith in your manifestation. A lot of people have talked about different things that can stop people from manifesting, whatever, but for me, I summarize it to be just inner conviction. The moment you have that inner conviction in you that what you desire is going to manifest, trust me, it is going to manifest. The only thing you now need to do is be patient and wait for it. Remember, there is time for everything. Everything manifests in their due time. In their due time. Nothing manifests when it is not right. Get it right. Nothing in this world actually happens when it is not right. Everything happens at its own right time. Whether the time based on you is wrong or right, it doesn't really matter. The universe has its own timing. Therefore, you have to also be patient so that you'll be able to get what you want at the right time. But what I want you to work on is your inner conviction. Because even if the time is right for your manifestation to come and you don't have the inner conviction that your manifestation is going to take place, trust me, it's not going to take place. But once you have the inner conviction, then your job is just to wait. Now, how do you get the inner conviction? I'll ask you to look out for a friend who cares, a friend who is not going to judge you. So you know someone who is not going to judge you, someone who is not going to condemn you, somebody who is just going to somebody who wants you to progress, right? You look out for an ally, and then when you meet with this person, you share your dream or your goal with that person. Remember, this person must be someone who does not condemn you, somebody who will be happy that you are actually aspiring for something greater. Okay, it could be anything that you want. Just look out for a trusted friend, and then when you meet with this person, discuss with him or her your goal, your plan. But in this time around, you are going to be discussing this with your friend as if this goal is already happening. Okay, so for example, you met with a friend and let's say you want to actually manifest a job, for example, and you meet out with a friend. Now you are just discussing with your friend, hey guy, I just discovered that I got this job and I am so happy. Now, remember, this friend is going to be somebody who is not judging you. That's why you must be very careful in selecting this person. Be extremely careful, because you don't want to do this with somebody who is going to judge you, or somebody who is going to laugh you, or somebody who is going to say you are just daydreaming, or what you're imagining cannot happen. No, we don't want people like that. We only want people who, whatever we want, they support us. They support us. They're not there to judge us. So when you meet this person, you discuss with this person as if your goal has already happened. So what that means is, what are you going to hear? What are you going to discuss with these people, with this person? So you discuss with them, right? Discuss with them. Now, this is doing it physical so that it will be able to give you that inner conviction. Now, as you're doing it physically, you are also doing this mentally. Now, when you discuss with your friend, remember, you have already done it mentally. You discuss with your friend mentally how you express your joy, your gratitude to have gotten what you wanted. You did it mentally. Now you're coming to do it physically so that it will create the inner conviction that what you imagined in your mind is actually real. So you look out for this person and then you discuss with them. And then at the end of the day, you simply thank them, right? Thank them for their time, for always supporting you. Now, this alone will give you the inner conviction that what you are looking for is already done. The reason why I brought out this physical interaction with a friend is so that, a lot of us, we like to believe that the physical things that we are seeing is actually real than what we imagine. But the reverse is actually the case, right? What you imagine is actually real. As a matter of fact, what you imagined is really what you are experiencing, and then what is on the physical is actually mirroring what you imagined. But of course, as humans with a lot of limitations, we like to see physical things to be more real than the things that we imagine. And that's why you want to actually bring out someone or a situation that's going to align with what you are looking for, then do it physically. But if you are doing it, be very, very careful so that you don't meet with people or things that will discourage you that what you are looking for is not real. No, be very, very careful. That's why you have to be very, very extremely careful in selecting the physical things that you will do that will show that, yes, what you are looking for is actually real. So, for example, if I wanted more money, I wanted to manifest more money. Now, what I can do is I can simply look out for a rich environment where I would go when I have that money, and then I will simply go to that environment. I don't have to actually go to a hotel that I cannot afford at the moment physically. All I need to do is just reach out, just go to that environment, and then just look around, right? When you are in that environment, automatically means that you have money, right? You're not paying for any hotel or whatever. Just show yourself in that environment, and then let your body feel it. Let your body feel it, and when your body feels it, it's actually confirming that what you're looking for is real. This will help you get the inner conviction, combining it with your mental interaction and mental visitation, mental travel. Remember, you do it mentally first, and then you also look out for something that is like that, that's related to that on the physical, and do it. But as I said, be very careful in the physical because you don't want to actually get something that is going to discourage you. That's going to let you know that what you imagine is not real, that you're just deceiving yourself. No, you don't want something like that. You don't want people like that. No. If you know you cannot get someone or a place that is going to actually encourage you and let you know that what you imagined is real, only maintain the mental imagination. Just do it mentally, don't do it physically. Okay. The reason why I brought that physically is because we tend to believe something that is handy, something that we can touch with our hand, than what we can imagine in our mind. Okay, so I believe I'm able to explain this concept on how you can get the inner conviction, because that's just all you need. That is just all you need, the inner conviction. Once you have this inner conviction, you are already done. Your manifestation would happen. The next thing is just give it time. Be patient. Okay, don't rush it. Just be patient. Like I said, everything happens at its own due time. When the time is right, it will manifest. And it's going to happen naturally, in a natural way that you begin to think, oh, it would have happened anyway. But trust me, it wouldn't have happened if you didn't do the mental imagination and, of course, combining it with the physical one that we talked about. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I believe I was able to share with you a little thing that can help you hasten up your manifestation. And if you found value in this video, I would ask you to hit the like button on it, and then also subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notification to all, so that you can see more updates from me when I come up with new ones. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.